Hey there, lost your Google search bar on your Android device? Fear not, whether it vanished by accident or after a recent update, getting it back is easier than you think. I'm here to guide you through restoring the Google search bar to your home screen, step by simple step. Let's dive in and make your Android experience smart enough for your needs. First things first, let's understand something. The Google search bar is a widget, not an app. This means we'll be adding it back as a widget to your home screen. Unlock your device and go to your home screen. Find a space that's not occupied by apps or widgets. Now long press on an empty area of the screen. You'll see the home screen options appearing including wallpaper widgets. This will bring up a list of all the available widgets that you can add to your home screen. Navigate through the list. You might see a few options here, including Google Search, Google Apps, shortcuts, and more. Look for the Google Search bar widget. It might simply be named Search or Google Search. Once you find it, tap and hold the widget. Now drag the widget to your desired spot on the home screen. If you accidentally drop it on the wrong spot, no worries. You can always long press the widget again to move it. And there you have it. You've successfully restored the Google search bar to your Android home screen. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell for more tips and tricks.